Ratchet Family. It's yours truly, Nora. Enjoy my masterpiece. Please.
Hey, she a baddie, she showing her penny. Yeah, she keep it a jelly, like yeah.
100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli.
Mama, you was a bitch.
Girl, you better get out this car before I whip your ass.
Mama, that's why your lace front is coming out. I can see that your hair is literally crusty. That's why
what? Say it. I'll whip your tail in front of all your little friends, little girl.
Damn, Mama, okay. You being so mean.
You better not say nothing, cause you know how ratchet this front lady is. Alright, bye, sweetheart.
Bye, Mama.
I really don't want to be at this job watching these ugly looking kids. Hey miss, welcome to Ratchet Patty Daycare. How can I help you? Are you checking in? Yeah, I just dropped my daughter off. I'm just gotta check in, all that jazz. Alright, bye. Bye, Miss Ratchet. Time to go watch these ugly looking kids that I really don't want to watch. Okay, you little ugly kids, I'm just gonna be teaching y'all a lesson, I guess.
Okay, you little ugly bitch. Golly.
Okay, I'm gonna show y'all how to be a baddie. Just don't be ratchet like that new girl, okay? Little girl, where the fuck is your mama at? I'm tired of being here watching your little ass.
Now I's gonna whoop your ass. No, you don't, bitch. I'ma tell my mama on your ugly looking ass.
Like and subscribe. I hope you like the video.